A 1, 2 to the right.
An electrifying experience. Orchestra students from 5 schools across the Beaufort County School District are taking part in the Electrify Your Symphony workshop and are performing alongside a rock star. Electric violinist Mark Wood spent the day rehearsing with the young musicians, working with them to elevate their sound and stage presence.
Beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how to stand.
After hours of practicing, the students joined Wood on stage for a live concert, rocking out together, playing several high-energy songs.
The beautiful part of an orchestra and a stringed instrument is you have a bow, and that bow enables us to have motion and movement. Trumpet, clarinet is fairly still, the instrument, but with this going on, it's a great thing. So with teenagers, it's the perfect way for them to feel and find their expression is through their music.
As students sharpened their performance skills, Wood also took time to coach them on their confidence, encouraging them to own the stage.
The most important thing is constant reminder about why are we doing this. We're doing this to connect the performer to the audience, and that's a real important experience for us to exude joy, passion, emotion, so that the audience feels something from us. And the only way that happens is when the performers exude and express.
Learning directly from a music legend is an experience these students will never forget.
Honestly, he's given a lot of praise. It's been great working with him. It's a lot of encouragement and new music that I haven't experienced, and it's great playing it.
He's like helping us like play the music better, and if we don't understand, we can always just like redo it and we'll work on it. In some music, we can just like sway with it and stuff, and it helps play better.
He's been telling us and giving us a lot of encouragement that, like, for example, violins and stuff, like orchestra instruments can't be to a certain genre like classical music, and it can be very diverse.
This is the 3rd time Mark Wood has hosted a workshop and performed with orchestra students from our district. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
And stop. Good. All right, now